political structures. Because I feel like even if no matter what government you in, some of these rules apply across the world. But a girl is a hoe if you have too many men across the world.
But that's because the world is run by who? Men. So like when you talk about politics and you talk about structures and societal things, there is no way possible to talk about it without understanding that the undergirding of all of it is a man made the rules, like, or a group of men, or whoever. Like,
I feel like that still goes back to naturalism.
But is it actually? Because in naturalism, there are many groups of animals, if you want to talk naturalism, and there are groups of animals in which women make the decisions. Elephants, one of the smartest, if not the smartest animal on the planet, right? A woman leads, the men don't. When it comes to like the lion pride, yes, the male leads, but let's be real. When it comes to the hunting, when it comes to caring for the pride, when it comes to all that, guess who does it? The woman.
But guess who still leads?
Because he's bigger? And
I don't know. I've never asked a lion, so I can't tell you. I can't tell you why. It's understood and it's said that.
It's understood, and if you go biblically, the man leads the house. So like, I get all that, right? I get all that from the context of naturalism and leadership. Like the man leads. Okay, cool. But I have a question for you. 4 + 1 = 5, right? 3 + 2 = 5, right? So that means 4 + 1 is equal to 3 + 2, but they don't look the same on either side. And that's why I believe a man and a woman are equal, because even though we don't look the same on either side of the equation, if you add up collectively what's on either side, you get the exact same thing. So though I don't do a 4 can't ever be a 3 and a 1 can't ever be a 2. That's not going. We're not going to change our numbers. I can never be a woman and a woman can never be me. Like, I mean, but yet we are equal. Because, and I go back to the biblical.
We're not equal.
I believe we're equal because I go back to the biblical context.
Well, just going off of what you just said, that's not equal. 4 and a 1 are equal. They equate to 5.
No, but I said 4 + 1
equates to 5.
Equal. No, I said 4 + 1 is equal to 3 + 2 because you have to solve the problem to get because the final version is going to be 5 on both sides. 5 = 5. That's what we're going to get. So again, what we look like in the beginning doesn't matter because in the end we look and we are equal, and that's, in my opinion, that's how marriage is supposed to work, right? You might look different in the beginning, coming from different backgrounds, coming from different whatever, but at the end of this, not when we say I do, but by the time we, till death do us part. By the time we get to that point, we should be equal. Like, we should see each other as complete equals, and the world should see like they see each other as, because now we've worked through the entire equation.
See, I feel like now we're bouncing between several different lines, and that's what humans have we have the mental capacity to do, we have the social capacity to do, to want to be compared to animals when we're talking about female lions, how strong they are, but you don't want to be compared to animals when we talk about dogs and bitches. Like, we have that power to start making these social adjustments to, I feel like some stuff is just what is. So I feel like, yes, in the mathematic analogy, this equation and this equation equals the same.